Barak Yahweh Barakatha, Yehoshua, Barak Yahweh Barakatha, Yehoshua, Bahasham, Rakakwadash, the honors to the apostles, the elders, salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching and truth and sincerity. Lesson will be entitled Speckled Bird. Lord, will you are edified. Video is going into the concept of the Israelite foreigner, Jacob Fake.
Who you kidding?
Fair use. Is this Brooklyn Italian rapper the real GOAT?
You was in the house. Two parents, so you do this shit for clout. Really? Writing rhymes, watching movies on the couch. A bunch of lies that be coming out your mouth. Who you kidding? You was in the house. Two parents, so you do this shit for clout. Writing rhymes, watching movies on the couch. A bunch of lies that be coming out your mouth. Listen, I'm from the streets. We ain't speak. Who you kidding?
Straight Jakes. Straight Jakes. My opinion. One more. Also, fair use.
Never get enough. I'm just riding in my truck. Boy, I'm flying 99, speed limit 55. Got a hammer up inside, waiting to nail whoever tried. Boy, this truck got a lift, 4 wheels and a fifth. I can pull out any bitch you wanna ride. Not for real, bitch. I'm big dog status. Phone full of baddies, phone full of plays. Drop it off like what's the addict? Pull up at the Ciggo with 35 nittos, 24-inch rims, bitch. That's what I spit on. Slanging mud in they face, catch a buzz off the bottle, bitch. I'm running from the law, so I open up the throttle, man.
Jacob Fake. Let's go to our leading precept. I think it's Jeremiah chapter 12 and verse 9. My heritage is unto me as a speckled bird, the chosen people, the heritage of the Most High, or Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahushua, are the Israelites. Is unto me as a speckled bird. When you investigate the term speckled in the Hebrew, you have a definition, variegated or variegate, which means what? Various / many colors. Okay? The birds round about are against her. The birds round about, referring to these other nations beginning with Esau, hence Psalm the 83rd chapter. Come, you assemble, all the beasts of the field come to devour. So let's jump to Deuteronomy 28 and 24. Salakia. Verse 25, Yahweh will cause you to be defeated by your enemies. You will attack your enemies from one direction, but you will scatter from them in 7. You will be an object of horror to all the kingdoms of the earth. So let's go to Deuteronomy 28 and 25, and let's read the latter part of that scripture. And shall be removed into all the kingdoms of the earth. And because of this removal, okay, you have what? The concept of the Israelite foreigner. Okay, Israelites based on the lineage of our fathers, okay, looking like these other nations. So let's jump to 64 just to further the point. And Yahweh shall scatter you among all people. Hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner. From the one end of the earth even unto the other. Hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner. And there you shall serve other gods, which neither you nor your fathers have known, even wood and stone. So let's go to Tobit 13 and 3. Confess him before the Gentiles, okay? You sons of Israel, for he has scattered us among them. For he confessed him who the reference point is Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. And because of this scattering, this curse, going into the indignation of the Most High, we have the concept of the Israelite foreigner, okay? Also, check out Isaiah, the 11th chapter. So let's jump to my last precept, Revelation 7 and 9. After this I beheld, I, referring to John the Revelator, and lo, a great multitude, which no man could number, of all nations, Israelites. Okay, hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner, and kindreds, hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner, and people, hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner, and tongues, hence the concept of the Israelite foreigner, stood before the throne and before the Lamb, clothed with white robes and palms in their hands. Okay? So these are Israelites. And the reason why you have Israelites looking like various nations or these other nations is because of the scattering, going into what? Slavery. Because why? We broke the laws, statutes, and the commandments. Lord will, this was an edifying lesson. Shalom.